In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a wavy text just like Emma Chamberlain's intros in Davinci Resolve 18 and beyond that. It is absolutely insanely easy. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your timeline. Then you need to add in a text. So let's just do that. And just put in the text plus here. Then here you can customize the text if you want to do that. I'm just gonna click in hello. You can change the font to whatever you desire. I'm just gonna find, I'm gonna take this one. Yeah, you can change the bold or light if you want to do that. You can change the size, all of that. But to make it wavy, you simply need to go down here to the open effects tab in the FX tab. Then you can go up to the search bar and click waviness like this. You can just drag this into your clip like so. I can just click play for you. And as you can see, now it's dragging, waving vertically, but we want to do it horizontally. And to do that, we need to go up to the inspected tab up here and click effects. And then the waviness type, you can just click horizontal instead, like so. You can also change the speed if you want to do that. You can do it super slow or super fast. That's up to you. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!